sharp NEC display presents ProAssist, free software designed for controlling and adjusting NEC projectors. ProAssist allows you to control an NEC projector from your computer via network. ProAssist allows necessary adjustments to be carried out smoothly, whether it's a single projector, multiple projectors in the same room, or when combining several projectors together to project a large screen. Opening the software, you'll be greeted by the projector control panel. Here, you will have complete control of the projectors, whether you are switching inputs or fine-tuning the picture quality. The lens control panel allows you to manipulate the lens of your projector to ensure the image is in focus and fills the screen, either by lens shift or adjusting the image size to achieve pristine images without scaling artifacts. In the unlikely event your image isn't uniformly white across the screen, the uniformity panel allows you to adjust. By gradually changing either red, green, or blue within a selected area, you can ensure the colors across the entire screen are accurate and uniform. Using 2 or more projectors, you can edge blend to create a larger and brighter image. Adjusting the boundaries of each projector with ProAssist allows you to make sure the overlap area is indistinguishable with adjustments to brightness and color density. The white balance panel allows you to make fine-tuned adjustments to the gamma and color profile to ensure a uniform grayscale. It also stores up to 3 different profiles to memory. All installations are not equal, nor are every projector screen a flat rectangle, and the geometric correction panel is here to help. Geometric correction provides the adjustments to not only square the image to the screen, but also to make sure the image perfectly fits any object or surface you are projecting onto. Take full control over your projectors and the image with NEC's ProAssist software.